all about farm animals. Today we will learn about the following animals: cows, horses, sheep, chickens, goats. A baby cow is called a calf. Cows eat grass, alfalfa, clover, and hay. Fun fact: cows can smell things up to 6 miles away. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses eat grass, hay, corn, and oats. They also eat fruits and vegetables. Fun fact: horses sleep standing up. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep eat mostly grass, plants, and seeds. Fun fact: sheep have rectangular pupils. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens eat grass, bugs, fruit, vegetables, and even table scraps. Fun fact: chickens dream when they sleep. A baby goat is called a kid. Goats eat shrubs, trees, hay, and grains. Fun fact: goats do not have front teeth in their upper jaw. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.